Okay, so let's take a look at what the new Google Forms is all about. So I'm going to go to new, I'm going to go to Google Forms. Look, the icon's purple, super cute. Hey, it works just like the old Google Forms, right? We pop over here, our title. This is a form. And then we start creating some questions. So question number one, I'll jump onto it and I'll say, what is your name? So then it goes, well, is that a multiple choice question? Or is that a short answer, a paragraph, a checkbox, a drop down? So all of your selections are over here. So you just grab that there, it becomes that. And this new Google Forms allows you to add some help text over here. You say, hey, show the hint text. So I'm going to say, use your own name. So there you go, right? You can use the help text right there. And if you want to duplicate this question right there, or delete this question, or make it a required question, those features are right there. Now, over here it says, hey, let's add some other stuff. You want to add another question? You want to add like a title and a description, like a page break type deal, or what used to be called a section header? You want to throw in an image, a movie, or do you want to break to another page? Now they're calling them add sections. It used to be page break, now it's section break. So that's the quick tutorial right there. I'm going to add another question. I'm going to make this, please enter your email address, colon, right? I'm going to pop it in to make it a short answer. I'm going to add a section break right here. Section breaks into a second page, right? Same old as the old Google Forms. The differences are add-ons are becoming a big deal, right? So if you want to add some add-ons, I've already added these add-ons, which are some of my favorites. You do that by popping over here and saying, hey, let's go grab some add-ons right there. When you go there, you can assign add-ons, and that's where you'll fish them out right there. A lot of people aren't digging the color scheme of the new forms, but look, just like old forms, you can change the color scheme quickly, right? Or you can go down here and do the add an image, right? And so Google still has all the old headers that you can scroll through and grab one, right? Just for kids, make it kind of cute skis, right? There's some little whatever flowers. Let's just grab one and throw it in. Great, so there's my good looking theme right there. And now if I want to jump into the preview of my form, I can jump in right there and see how that looks. And this is the link that you'll be sending out to your friends to fill out your Google form. Now, a couple of differences about the Google Forms is it has some advanced response features inside the responses that don't necessitate you having to go create a spreadsheet. Now, I'm kind of old school. I still always create a spreadsheet just by clicking right there. But once you see some responses populating, you'll see that there's some interesting features right there. Last quick piece is this button right here. This is just some of the settings, right? Remember, these settings used to be at the top of the page, and now they're on this little cog here, right? We can edit our confirmation message when somebody hits respond, allow people to edit their responses, show progress bar, and if you're inside a Google Apps for Education domain, this is where it would say only people within the school domain can fill out this form. So that's where that is right there. So that's just a quick tour of the new Google Forms and how to use the features. Dive in and start playing. Within a couple of days, you won't even know that you're in the new forms. If you want to go back to the old forms, click on this little guy right here, and it'll take you back to the old forms. I don't know how long that feature will be there, though. So at some point, it's time to start digging the new forms. All right. I hope that helps.